Hey guys, happy Tuesday. If you keep on watching, you're gonna see how I just do this super simple under 5 minutes everyday makeup look. It's actually like a full face of products, but it doesn't look like a full face, so it's like a makeup no makeup look. So keep on watching and you'll get to see, and we'll kind of chit chat while we get ready for the day. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just kind of film myself getting ready. Just in the car. My husband's at the bank running an errand, so I wanted to like do just like a quick get ready with me, and just kind of show you like my everyday what I do. This is just, I'll put everything in the description box down below just so that time wise. And then yeah, how's your guys' day going? It's my weekend pretty much from work, so I slept until 11, which I've not done in like forever. My oldest didn't have school, so I woke up, we went to Chick-fil-A, and then we watched Rush Hour, which if you guys haven't seen, that movie is so funny, y'all. It's like, I was showing him, I'm like, this is before everything became really like PC and like you have to be so careful. I'm like, the humor is definitely different, but it was like, it's funny. Let me know, have y'all seen it before? Yeah, and now we're doing a night in Jerusalem. First time ever gonna do it. I kind of want to start that tradition with my kids. With we do like Easter, and we do like the Easter bunny, but like with faith and stuff. I want to go a little bit deeper, so we're gonna read about like the Last Supper. A Night of Jerusalem I saw online, and it's kind of like foods that Jesus and the disciples ate that night. And so think about like hummus, pita, either chicken, like baked chicken, baked fish. We're gonna do fish, it's just easier. Maybe a rotisserie, who knows. Olives, fruit, just kind of stuff like that. I'm gonna decorate the table a little bit. It's supposed to be I'm going really basic. I know you can make it really cute, but I'm just gonna kind of try to go basic. And it's about to be where you're like focusing on, like, you're reading the Lord's Supper, so we're trying to focus it on Jesus. So I don't want to make it too like aesthetically fun for me, because I go overboard sometimes with that. So I'm really trying to make sure I get at the heart of it, which is the story of like the Last Supper. My eyelashes have been bothering me. It's like allergy season. But yeah, so I'll probably like on my Instagram, I will probably show you guys some photos of like what I've done, but kind of do it simple. I'm trying to get like faith a little bit more, a bigger deal, like bigger, I don't know if that's the right word, but like a little bit more. My kids are getting older, really want to start like those kind of traditions and like the meaning of Easter, and not just strictly like the Easter bunny candy and all that. I'm kind of wanting to really go back to like the heart. Oh my gosh, worst time to do mascara is when the wind just is deciding to like blow. So wind and me, we always have a thing. But it's allergy season, so I didn't mean to like cover up my eyes. But yeah, so it's allergy season, so I can't even wear contacts right now because my eyes are just like super itchy. So, oh, by the way, this is like my favorite mascara. You guys are gonna see that I use this mascara a lot. It's the Illia Limitless Mascara. I love it. And then I'm gonna put on a lip gloss. Should I do like a lip liner? Maybe brows. Let's do brows, just a little bit. And I'm kind of focusing more here. I am not too big of a fan of, oh gosh, fan of this brow pencil. It's by MAC, but it does the job for me right now, and I kind of don't want to buy something else. Granted, I plan on getting something in a second, but it's like the e.l.f. brow pen. So I'm gonna see, as long as I have my shade, I'm gonna test that out, even though here I'm saying I don't want to buy it, but I've heard it's really cheap, so we'll see. And yeah, so I'll probably hop on and do more like makeup videos, reviews, and stuff like that. My hair is just, I need to wash my hair. That's what my hair is. My hair is, it's time to wash. This is the Fenty lip gloss, Fenty Glow. It looks really like copper, or not copper, really like orangish, but it's not. It's very natural in real life. And yeah, so you have it under 5 minutes. This is my everyday makeup look. I could do like a blush for a little eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna kind of keep it simple as is. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great week.